Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to create a robot.txt file for our website, and if you don't know what is a robot.txt file, let me show you a robot.txt file demo for Facebook. Okay, so this is the Facebook robot.txt file, and here you can see that the user agent. So user agent is the spider or the web crawler. So for the Baidu spider, the disallowed URLs are these URL. So every URL include Ajax. So after the facebook.com/Ajax, for the Baidu spider, Facebook used this command to disallow to crawl the website after Ajax. For the user agent Google bot, same thing. And if you don't want to use so many agents or for a particular agent, you can use a star, and the star will denote all the web spiders. Okay, so I have created a, and you can use two commands, like the one is disallow and the second is allow. So if you want to allow and if you want to disallow, you can use the command as per your choice. This is our robots.txt file, and since I don't want any robot to crawl feeds, trackbacks, admin area, content, include, XML RCP, and all the files which contains the WP- prefix. Okay, and the allowed is WP content upload. So all the bots can crawl our uploads like media, images, audios, and I have also put the sitemap of our website. Okay, so we are going to upload this robot.txt file in our root directory. SEO tab and go to edit files. There is no robot.txt file, as this plugin is scanned for a robot.txt file, and it says that if you had a robot.txt file, it was uneditable, you could edit it here. So now to upload a robot.txt file, you need to go to File Manager in the root directory. So this is our root directory, and click Upload. Complete, and yeah, so we have a robot.txt file. Let's go here and refresh. Alright, so now we have our robot.txt file, and the robot.txt file is used to give commands to all the spiders to disallow our website crawling from these URLs. Okay, so by this way we can have a robot.txt file. And this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.